Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so well to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make pepper or peppered chin chin. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So the first thing you're going to do is to sift 4 cups of flour into a dry bowl. Add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon grated nutmeg. Then you combine the dry ingredients together. Add 2 tablespoons margarine and rub in the margarine into the flour. So you're going to be doing this until you get a crumbly texture. So this is the pepper. So pepper is to taste. So as you guys can see, I'm grating the pepper because I put the pepper into a grater. So we want a rough blended or grated pepper. So pour in the grated pepper into the flour. Then add 2 eggs. And rub in the eggs in the flour. So this is liquid milk. We'll be adding 180 ml of liquid milk, but we'll be adding it little at a time. When you add little at a time, you incorporate, like you mix until you add in the 180 ml of liquid milk. Remember to add it little at a time. So after adding the 180 ml of liquid milk, you keep kneading until you get a non-sticky dough. transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead. So you'll be kneading for like 15 minutes. Remember, we didn't add water, we didn't add baking powder. Guys, this chin chin was super. I also have a video on how to make Nigerian chin chin, but this is peppered chin chin. So cut the dough into sections. And spread with a rolling pin. Using a cutter, cut to any shape and size or sizes of choice. So guys, like I said, you're going to love this chin chin recipe. It was crunchy. It was soft. Yes, it was soft without baking powder. Make sure you try it out, like I would always tell you guys. So this is a pepper, spicy Nigerian chin chin. So this is the size. So here is our cut chin chin. The next step is to heat up your oil and start frying. So don't bother if your chin chin dough sticks together after cutting. All right, once it enters the oil, it separates. So once it enters the oil, it separates. Just use a stick like I'm using to give it a stir, and it separates. And remember to fry on a medium heat, not high heat. Guys, like I said, you're going to love this chin chin pepper chin chin recipe. My kids made sure they finished it today. Everything finished. So guys, our chin chin is done. Transfer to a paper towel. to drain excess oil. Leave to cool completely. If you want to store, you can store in an airtight container and enjoy. Guys, this is it. So it's soft and crunchy. Hope you guys are seeing this. Isn't this yummy? Isn't this yummy? Please make sure you try it out and leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely, lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye. Love ya.